Sanibonani ninjani. Today we're speaking about DJ Zinhle Giani, Uzinhle Giani. This is DJ Zinhle, originally from Ladysmith, who is a well-known artist, who is a DJ and a businesswoman. She sells everything from the bags to icathulo, amacici. Kuningi nje DJ Zinhle akudayisayo. She few years back she came to fame during wafika no-Oskido and wenza nje amaculo amaningi amabenga, and then she fell in love with AKA, the late AKA. So they were smithing. DJ Zinhle was in love, loving this colored guy. Her brand, baby, we ngathi abantu abangafanelene nje ngoba DJ Zinhle and AKA, you would have thought of AKA dating somebody else. AKA was younger and DJ Zinhle was older, but they were making it work. They were together, and then they broke up for the first time, and then they kindly relationship yabo base bezala umntwana ekuthiwa uCairo. They had a baby together. When they came back, they went to an holiday. Now DJ Zinhle, before she gave birth to the child, what his name, AKA, cheated on DJ Zinhle. DJ Zinhle find out that AKA was cheating, and then they broke up. While they behlukana, Zinhle is pregnant, and then AKA fell in love with Bonang Matheba. When AKA fell in love with Bonang Matheba was famous. DJs, they then wrote a statement together with AKA to say they have separated. Now remember, Zinhle is still pregnant, and then they started flaunting a relationship yabo AKA no Bonang, and DJ Zinhle didn't feel okay about that. She then decided to do a statement again by herself, and then she then mentioned the fact that the reason Yena and AKA broke up is because there was infidelity. AKA cheated with with Bonang, and right now the way sebe tshengisa ngakhona nje sebe happy akekho happy. Wayisithi kodwa keke umbuzile ulintuzana AKA agreed that he cheated with Bonang for like 5 months, and then they base beyahlukana ke no DJ Zinhle. But then DJ Zinhle said obviously he's not happy. DJ Zinhle and then went as far as writing for a brand that Bonang was representing at that particular time. Why she's a home wrecker. She has wrecked my home. Fast forward, AKA finds love to another person, the lady who died, and then moves on, and then AKA passes on. But before that, Zinhle was being blamed for always being among the AKA family all of the time, Mama AKA and all of that, even though sebehlukene no AKA. She then tried to move on. She moved on to Muda Bongs, a very young guy also again, and they fell in love. Well, DJ Zinhle recently usanda kusho ukuthi akakwazi ukuhlala ngabe kwi relationship. She feels or she wishes nje uhlezi ithanda engazuthi nje angajola nje yabo, and she says she can't be single. So she fell in love with Muda and it looked like it's working. According to Musage Kaula says Zinhle Muda was more of a husband of inconvenience, so I can't be alone. And Zinhle herself admitted that she cannot be alone. So obviously manga bethola lo mfana wamqoqa, we make isibhendi, menze solo artist, kusho ukuthi wa build nje empire kuZinhle, and then they had a child together. Now they had siningane ezu2, the AKA baby as well as the baby for Muda. Ukuthiwa ngendlela uZinhle amthanda ngakhona AKA naku la bekagqokisa boy, the new husband emgqokisa skipper sa AKA, and the house is a big picture of Muda Bongs and DJ Zinhle of the late AKA, because Zinhle loved AKA. There's no cap in terms of that. Those girls loved AKA with all her heart. Yes, there are chances of the fact that she fell in love with Muda because she couldn't stay alone. That's what she says. She can't be alone in her house. Now, the relationship has been rocked by scandals right now of Yena no Muda Bongs. They are married now, by the way. Traditionally, they've married. even though Paltuso said no, they haven't been married because kwakhokhwa nje kwaphela kanjalo. Musa Khawula has told us that Mutha is cheating with students. I'm a university student. It turns out ukuthi uyathole kada guys ayikho indoda phela engathole eceleni ngeke. First of all, this boy is still young. So now Mutha is dating this girl, this colored girl who is a Batsy, she is a bottle lady at a coffee club called Coffee. It's called Coffee. It's a club. It's in Midrand. She's a bottle girl, and Ugeli is dating Mutha Bongs. We do not know who ubano keep a story, ubano skip healer, but the picture is there. The person is known. And the person is known. Usama club, and chances are they met at the clubs. Now, it means what AKA did with DJ Zinhle, it's happening again. And unfortunately for Zinhle, it's always in the public. AKA public cheated with a lady, Bonang, and now Mutha Bongs is actually cheating with this young colored lady. I don't know how I feel about this. Of course, Zinhle loves Mutha now, but at first it was not about that. I believe that if AKA was still alive and then AKA wanted DJ Zinhle back, DJ Zinhle was not even going to think twice about leaving this boy and go entertain with AKA because she loved AKA with all her heart. She then decided to react a bit on social media right now after all these rumors about Mutha cheating, and she has broke her silence and just commented. And then she said some things they don't mean anything. You don't have to entertain them. That's what she said. So these are the news right now. What do you think? Do you think is it okay for Bongs to cheat on DJ Zinhle with this young little thing right here, right now? So cute.
Bestie, let me tell you, it is super hard. And decide, you know what, I'm gonna let this thing go. I'm not gonna respond to this. I'm just gonna let it go. But letting it go is so hard because it's so easy to get angry and want to react. But sometimes, not even sometimes for me especially, most times I would actually love to let things go. I don't want to fight. I don't want to have conflict. I don't want to respond to anyone online. I don't want to respond to anything. I don't want to explain myself. I just want an easy life. But let me tell you, sometimes it is so hard to just let it go because people will just question